In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload large file on GitHub. Let's start on the GitHub dashboard. If you're already signed in, you'll land there by going to github.com. From this page, look for the top repositories section. This is a quick way to jump into projects you've worked on recently. Click the repository where you want the file to live. Once you're on the repository's main page, make sure you're viewing the Code tab. If you need to add a quick text file first, you can use the Create New File button. This opens the editor where you can type content directly in the browser. It's handy for simple notes or configuration files. Add any content you need, give the file a name at the top, and remember that nothing is saved yet. You'll commit everything in a moment. Next, return to the repository's main page. Open the Add File menu and choose Upload Files. This takes you to the Upload screen. Here you can drag and drop your file into the big drop zone, or click Choose Your Files to browse your computer. If you're working with a particularly large file, keep in mind GitHub's limits. The web interface is best for smaller files and will warn you around larger sizes. For files that approach or exceed GitHub's hard limit, set up Git Large File Storage, Git LFS, in your repository first, so your upload succeeds smoothly. After selecting your file, you'll see it listed on the page. You can add more files the same way if needed. Below the file list is the Commit area. Add a clear commit message that explains what you're uploading, like Add Large Dataset File, and if it helps future you or teammates, include a short description in the extended message box. Under the commit message, choose where to apply the change. For a quick update, select Commit directly to the main branch. If your workflow requires reviews, you could instead commit to a new branch and open a pull request, but committing to main is the fastest path when you're certain about the change. Scroll to the bottom to review everything one last time: file name, size, and commit message. When you're ready, click Commit Changes. GitHub will process the upload and take you back to the repository, where you can confirm the file appears in the file list. If you used LFS, you'll see pointers stored in the repo and the content tracked by LFS behind the scenes. That's it. You opened your repository, created or edited a file as needed,